Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the BulletProof Hitches heavy duty adjustable 2-ball mount for a 2-inch hitch with a drop and a rise. It has a 22,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this 2-ball mount will slide into a 2-inch hitch receiver, let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. Up front you can see the 2 hitch balls. Those will provide the connection points for your trailer coupler. And if you notice, they are 2 different size hitch balls. You can see the large one is a 2 5/16 diameter and the smaller one is a 2-inch diameter. So this will let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. And to switch the ball, all you do is simply remove the 2 pins and the clips, flip the ball platform to the size you need, and then reinsert the pins and the clips. It's pretty easy to do. Just to show you, we're going to go ahead and pull out the clips. And then we'll pull out the pins. And actually the pins I wanted to mention, it comes with 2 of these 5/8 inch diameter corrosion resistant hardened steel pins. These will feature a nickel undercoat and then a zinc plating top coat for best corrosion resistance. Go ahead and take out our second one. You can see the ball platform comes from the release from the channel. So if we just flip it over to the 2-inch size, and again when you put this in you can put it whatever height you need. I'm just going to put it back to where it was. We'll go ahead and put a pin through there, and then we'll put a pin through the top, and then again we'll take our clips. You want to make sure to put your clips in there to make sure the pins are secured, and we'll do the other one. And then just like that you can use the 2-inch ball. So very quick and easy to switch to whatever ball size you need. Now the adjustable design on this provides a nice drop or rise, allows you to tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. This does work well for contractors where they can install this on one truck and use that one truck for different size trailers. Now I'm showing it in the drop position. So when you install it in this drop position, if you put this ball platform in the lowest position it'll get you a maximum drop of about 11 1/4 inches. If you flip this over in your hitch to the rise position and then put the ball platform in the highest position, it'll get you a maximum rise of about 11 1/2 inches. Now it does give you 6 levels of adjustment. The dimension between each adjustment hole is 2 inches. And basically you can move this ball platform lower or raise it higher to match your application. This is a nice heavy-duty steel construction. It is precision CNC milled and drilled, so it gives you less rattle because of the close tolerances. The channel right here is a 5/16 thick channel frame. It's strong and durable. If you notice at the bottom, it has a 1/2 inch thick welded gusset plate, which will brace the shank and the channel. And the hitch balls themselves are welded to the ball platform for extra sturdiness. So because of that solid shank, the gusset plate, the solid dual ball platform, it is built for heavy-duty towing. And the steel gusset you can see here, it is welded between the shank and the channel, bracing the mount, keeping the channel from bending even at maximum drop or rise. Total weight on this is about 45 pounds. Now one thing I do want to mention, it could come into play on your application. This gusset does go back a little bit, so you want to make sure you have clearance when this goes into your hitch. So I measured from the gusset right up here, and then the first hitch pinhole is going to be about 3 1/2 inches. From that gusset to the second hitch pinhole is about 5 inches. Now this ball mount does have many different dimensions to it, so what I do recommend for you to do is go to the product page of this part number, and it'll have a picture of this with all the dimensions on it, and then you can verify any dimension that might be needed for your application. This part is made in the USA with USA steel, and the product is used by the US military, so it does give you peace of mind that the product uses quality materials. Also what's nice, this does use a powder-coated, textured, heavy-duty black finish, and that heavy-duty finish keeps the ball mount looking like new instead of all worn and rusty after a short time. Now when you do install this into your hitch receiver, you can see the hitch pin holes we talked about. It does require hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock for securing it to the hitch receiver. Those items are not included. You would have to supply those, or we do sell those separately on our website. Again, this fits 2-inch by 2-inch trailer receivers. And this one with the drop is ideal for vehicles with 25-inch to 27-inch clearance from the ground to the bottom of your receiver tube. Gross towing weight capacity is going to depend on the ball size you use. So if you use the smaller 2-inch diameter ball, it's 12,000 pounds. If you flip it over and use the larger 2 5/16 diameter ball, it's 22,000 pounds. Tongue weight capacity is 3,000 pounds. And one last thing I do want to mention, This comes with the dual ball mount, but there are a variety of channel mount attachments that are available for this ball mount to allow you to also use this as a Pintle hitch, Shackle hitch, even a hitch step, and those are all listed on this product page as related products. But that should do it for the review on the BulletProof Hitches, heavy duty, adjustable, 2-ball mount for a 2-inch hitch with a drop and rise and a 22,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.